Hi, everybody. Welcome back. We have another live banging video lined up for you. This is going to be a city walk of Tucheng and a second temple walk. So without further ado, guys, let's get started.
Thanks again, guys. See how.
This is the part of Taiwan most people skip. No hype, no filters, just real life, unfolding one block at a time here along Zhongyang Road. You're going to pass the usual suspects: scooters, shutters, fried dough in the air. But if you keep walking, past the noise, past the everyday, you're going to find something sacred. Quiet, waiting, but yet very much alive. Let's keep going, guys. Hey guys, it's here, my first book. A story told through night markets, street corners, and smoky skewers. Follow the sizzle. Eating your way through Taiwan isn't just a food guide. It's how I got lost and found the good stuff. Hit the link, grab your copy, and use promo code SIZZLEDEAL to knock $5 off. Come hungry, stay curious. You know, this road has been part of Tucheng spine since the district was trading rice and bricks way back in the Japanese era. What started out as a narrow lane between farmland and factories is growing into a messy modern artery, part commuter shortcut, part community lifeline. It cuts right through old school breakfast shops, cram schools, and mid-rise apartments built when concrete was king and air conditioning was a luxury. And like a lot of Taiwan, it's in constant motion. It's a parade of the ordinary. It's the kind of street where nothing happens and somehow everything does. No colonial architecture, it's just real life, rough edges and all. Thanks again, guys, for joining along on this walk of the new Taipei city of Tucheng. Hope you enjoy. If you do, leave those comments below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and definitely leave a video a thumbs up. Let's keep going, guys. The longer you walk, the more the noise fades into a rhythm. You start noticing the small stuff, the way a storefront sign peels under way too many summers, the empty chair outside a shop that never seems to close, a stack of lunch boxes heating up on a scooter seat, a local half visible behind a rusty gate. There's a kind of quiet here that isn't silence. It's just life, moving around you, not for you. You begin to wonder how many times you pass places like this and never really seen them. But now you're looking. Then out of nowhere, the Tucheng Zhèn'ān Gōng temple reveals itself. A massive sign stretches across the road. Stone lions stand guard. Inside, the air thickens, part incense, part reverence. This place honors the five lords, brothers turned deities, their legends soaked in sacrifice. Their protectors, healers, judges of faith. And their altar, covered in fruit, stacks of paper money, and candles that never seem to burn out. Here, mothers clutch toddlers and whisper prayers. Adults toss moon blocks, searching for answers. It's an ancient belief, but it's alive here in the middle of this modern mess. Let's check it out. Before the gods, you're greeted by animals, life-size statues of the Chinese zodiac, frozen mid-pose, mid-snarl, mid-thought, like guardians in some mythical courtyard. The garden is dotted with deities and folklore figures, each with a story, each waiting for someone to remember it. It's part shrine, part open-air theater, and before you even reach the main hall, you're already somewhere else entirely. Step inside and time starts to blur. This temple has stood here for over a century, though the gods it honors goes back much further. Every beam, every carving, every faded mural speaks to the wear of generations. The architecture is classic southern Fujian style. Sweeping roof lines, curling eaves, dragons perched like quiet guardians along the tiles. The five wards, Wu Ni, Qian Sui, aren't just names from legends. They're the protectors of health, harmony, and sometimes justice. And here, in the scent of the sandalwood, in the hush between prayers, you get a feeling that they're still listening. Welcome, welcome. Have a little tea with locals.
Hello, 你好，你好。Thank you.
So hello, all my friends. Thank you for the tea. It was terrific. So how cool was that, guys, to get invited to have some tea with the locals here at the temple? Unfortunately, though, that does bring us to the end of the video of the Tucheng City Temple Walk. I hope you enjoyed. Till next time, guys. 大家再见. See you all on the next video.